Traci Lynn, and as a certified fitness trainer, I want you to move your body properly. So I just decided to film this video on the fly, no scripting, nothing. I just filmed a couple workouts and I'm prompting constantly on proper form, the basics of the proper form, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a quick video for those of you out there, you beginners out there, that need a video to watch to practice and to turn to, because proper form, when you're working out, is of utmost importance. No matter what your fitness level is, without it, you're risking getting injured, and you're also not getting the full benefit of the time that you put into your workout. So this is just a quick video to help you out. Just get it down, because these movements are actually like everyday life movements too, especially from the waist up, the movements I'm going to show you, these forms. It's just how we should be, just as far as our posture goes. So quickly, I'm going to show you, but first, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to watch my first and second channel intro videos, and you can understand more of what my channel is all about and what my workouts are all about. That would be great. So let's start from the top, proper form. Our shoulders. When we work out, it's really easy to want to tense up like this. Our body just wants to go like this, especially the harder you're working out with heavier weights. That's really bad. Bringing your shoulders up into your ears and your neck. You're going to get a really stiff, sore neck. I've done it. It's not fun. It takes days to go away. So keep those shoulders out of your ears, down. And then at the same time, you are retracting those shoulder blades in the back, those wings back there. Squeeze them. Squeeze them back. When you're working out with weights in everyday life, those shoulder blades should be back, shoulders down, chest up and open. Chest is up like a soldier, abs are tight, like there is a magnet on your belly and one on your spine, like they're trying to come together. That is proper posture. It's hard to remember. It's a mind-body connection. And the more you practice it and think about it, you'll start automatically doing it. So that's why you'll watch this video and just practice it, get it down, because this is how you need to be in your workouts and in everyday life. Shoulders down, back, chest up, abs tight. Okay, hips are neutral. Now let's talk about from the hips down. Oh, the spine should be neutral all the time. From the neck to the tailbone, keep it neutral. No curving and bending like on a deadlift. You're keeping your shoulder blades together, and that's why you want to keep your shoulder blades together, because it helps you keep your back straight too. It keeps everything straight. Keep those shoulder blades together. So in my workouts, I do a variety of lunges and squats, because these are everyday functional movements. We have to lunge, we have to squat to go upstairs, to sit down. And maybe you're somebody that can't do the full range and you need assistance, but I'm telling you, the more you get the proper form down, you practice these strength movements and do my workouts, even if it's a half squat or a half lunge, and just keep those muscles strong, because it's not going up those stairs and sitting down that's hard, especially as we get older. It's the coming down and getting up. So we have to strengthen those muscles. So you have to practice squats and lunges with proper form and get those muscles stronger. I'm not saying bigger, stronger. And the more you do these movements, the stronger you get and the more able you get. So with a squat or a lunge, your knees are always lined up over your ankles, with your ankles and with your feet. Always. You don't want them coming in or going out, and you don't want them crossing past your toes. So if I were to just go squat, my knees are passing my toes. So what you need to do is called an anterior pelvic tilt. You're going to tilt your pelvis just a little bit, not too much. You're not getting that curvature in your lower back. You don't want to push your behind back too much. Just a slight tilt. Feet in a standard lunge, feet hip width apart, a little farther. Slight tilt, anterior to the front, top your hips to the front, just a bit. Sit back in your heels. Try to keep your torso straight up. Even if you bend over, if you're doing some rows like I do in some of my workouts, that's fine too, as long as your spine is lined up from your neck to your tailbone without that curvature. You don't want to stick your butt out too much. Anterior pelvic tilt. Sit back in your heels. Chest is up. Shoulder blades are together. You're sitting in your heels. Knees are lined up. My knees are not crossing my toes. And then you're going to push up through your heels. So tilt, Sit back, through your heels, lift your toes up. You're not going into the balls of your toes, you're sitting into your heels. And you're pushing back through your heels. Lunge. This is a lunge, a full lunge. 90 degrees in the back if you can do that. And 90 degrees here. Everything's lined up. No crossing the toes. See? So just practice that. Get it down. Those are the basics. Those are all I can think of right now, but practice those. And I do prompt on those in my workouts, but it will be much better if you can get those down on your own too. So thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, a thumbs up would be great. And comments are welcome, and subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. So important, because you'll never know that I put out a new video if you don't hit it. That's the only way YouTube lets you know every time I upload a new workout, and I plan to do that at least once a week. I have a lot for you. So hit that notification bell and subscription button for sure. And thank you for watching. Take care.